We are studying one-dimensional motion or motion of a body along a straight line where it is moving only along either x-axis or else y-axis. Here we have certain parameters to study its motion, like displacement. Displacement is the shortest possible distance between initial and final positions in a specified direction. Velocity, it is nothing but a rate of change of displacement. Two kinds of velocities we have. It could be initial velocity u, or it could be a final velocity v. Displacement is represented with a letter something like s. To study this one-dimensional motion, we have these parameters. Time, represented with a letter something like t. Acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity, is shown with a letter a. These are the basic parameters to understand the one-dimensional motion of a body, and these parameters are having certain relations. The relations among these parameters is called equations of motion. Right? There are equations of motion like v equal to u plus at, final velocity equal to initial velocity plus acceleration to time. V square minus u square equal to 2as. S equal to ut plus half at square. Distance travelled by the body in the nth second is nth equal to initial velocity plus acceleration into that nth second minus 1, nth number we need to write. So these are the four equations of the motion that we have to study the one-dimensional motion of a body. These equations are very critical and very important to understand the one-dimensional motion of a body. How do we do? So in any problem or in any scenario, there are parameters. What are the parameters that we have? Initial velocity, final velocity, displacement, time, acceleration. These are the parameters. Any of the given equation, if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, they are linking 4 parameters. So out of these 4 parameters, that whatever is given for you, he may give you any 3. Given. We'll ask you to find out one more parameter. Suppose, for example, v, u and s is given for you. You are asked to calculate what is the value of the time. Then what I can do, s equal to, I can write a formula, ut plus half at square. Now as it is told, s is given for you, u is given for you, a is not given for you, time is also not given for you. If I have to calculate the time, first of all I need acceleration. To get that acceleration, what I can use? Simply v square minus u square equal to 2as. So acceleration is nothing but v square minus u square by 2s. Once if you know acceleration, I can calculate the time. To get the time, I can use a formula, v equal to u plus at. V is given for you in the problem, u is given for you in the problem, a just now I have calculated in the given terms, v square minus u square by 2as, and I can get the value of the time. This is how we need to solve the equations of motion and find the parameter that what we would like to calculate. This approach shall help us in solving so many problems. Thank you.